Welcome to Text Processing using NLTK in Python by Krishna Bhavsar, Naresh Kumar and Pratap Dangetti, a series of tutorial videos by Pact Publishing. My name is Todd Heppenstall and I'm the voiceover artist of this course. Before we get started with NLTK, here's the briefest possible word about the authors. Krishna Bhavsar has spent around 10 years working on natural language processing, social media analytics, and text mining. He has worked on many different NLP libraries, such as Stanford Core NLP, IBM System Text and Big Insights, GATE, and NLTK, to solve industry problems related to textual analysis. He has also published a paper on sentiment analysis augmentation techniques in 2010 NAACL. Apart from academics, he has a passion for motorcycles and football. In his free time, he likes to travel and explore. Naresh Kumar has more than a decade of professional experience in designing, implementing and running very large-scale internet applications in Fortune Top 500 companies. He is a full-stack architect with hands-on experience in domains such as e-commerce, web hosting, healthcare, big data and analytics, data streaming, advertising and databases. He believes in open source and contributes to it actively. Naresh keeps himself up to date with emerging technologies, from Linux systems internals to front-end technologies. He studied in BITS Pilani, Rajasthan, with a dual degree in computer science and economics. Pratap Dangetti develops machine learning and deep learning solutions for structured, image and text data at TCS in its Research and Innovation Lab in Bangalore. He has acquired a lot of experience in both analytics and data science. He received his master's degree from IIT Bombay in its Industrial Engineering and Operations Research Program. Pratap is an artificial intelligence enthusiast. When not working, he likes to read about next-gen technologies and innovative methodologies. He is also the author of the book Statistics for Machine Learning by Pact. So, what are we going to do in this course? Well, let's give you a little overview. First, we'll get started with Corpus and WordNet, which teaches you to access a built-in corpora of NLTK and frequency distribution. Then we'll move on to raw text, sourcing and normalization. I'll show you how to extract text from various formats of data sources. We will also learn to extract raw text from web sources. Later, we'll take a tour of pre-processing, getting introduced to some critical pre-processing steps, such as tokenization, stemming, lemmatization, and edit distance. Lastly, we'll look at regular expressions. We'll learn the concept of pattern matching as a way to do text analysis, with the most basic and simple, yet most important and powerful tools. To perform the solutions of this course successfully, you will need Python 3.x or higher running on any Windows or Unix-based operating system with a processor of 2.0 GHz or higher and a minimum of 4 GB RAM. This covers everything that we're going to learn in this course. Let's get started. I hope you enjoy the course, and all the best.